Hello unicorns! I know it's been a while since I posted videos, but now I am back, and to all the new people out there, hi, I'm Harita and I create videos on travel and lifestyle, so you can check out the playlists in my channel to watch them. And this is another episode of Talking Unicorn, and in this video I'll be talking about the menstrual cup. So in detail I'll be discussing what is it, how to buy it, the process of using it, etc. So please do not skip this video and watch till the end. Also, basically all the content creators, most of the content creators including me, will ask you to subscribe this video, like the video, etc. But in this video I want you guys to spread the word by sharing this video, please, because it's definitely going to help so many people out there. So please share this video, and without any further delay, let's get into the
Never really know what's going on.
So menstrual cups are alternatives to pads, tampons, etc. and it's made of medical grade silicone, and 99% of the brands claim that one cup can last up to 10 years. So imagine how much you would be saving up on pad. So this is the cup, and this is the stem which is used for insertion and removal, and this is a flexible rim which is used to create the vacuum seal, and there are two rim holes here which is used to release this vacuum. First and very important thing is you have to sterilize your cup before and after your periods. Sterilization is very easy. You just have to drop this cup in hot boiling water, and alternatively you can use this sterilization device. So you have to open it, fill this place with 15 ml of water, and place your cup upside down and plug the cord and switch it on. This device will sterilize it in some 5 to 7 minutes. So once it's done, please open it carefully as hot steam will come out of it. So take the cup, pat it dry, cool, let it cool down, and once it is done, your cup is ready for use. Now the first and most common mistake which many will do, and even I did during my first time, was inserting the cup straight up and removing it straight down, but this doesn't work like that. Look at this picture. Our vaginal walls are tilted to some degree, which means it's not going to be straight. So your insertion and removal process should also be tilted to some degree. The cup is of course wide and you cannot put it directly up since the opening of the vaginal wall is really small. So first you have to fold the cup, and there are so many folding methods available online. So for me the punch down method works really well, but you can try it. It's different for everybody, so you can try and see which works best for you. So after folding the cup, just squat or stand with one leg raised and try inserting the cup tilted to 45 degrees maybe. It's going to be painful for the first time, but please don't give up though, because women are capable of pushing out a baby out of the same place. I mean, our vaginal walls are expandable, and hence it will definitely make room for your cup to fit in. So just try to wiggle it by pushing it up like this. And once you feel that your cup is up there, release it, and you have to check whether the cup is open completely and it has created vacuum with your vaginal walls. If not, if you feel that your cup is folded still, then you have to remove and reinsert again. The cup can be there for comfortably 8 hours, and if it's time for you to empty it and reinsert it, first try pulling this stem gently until you reach the base of the cup. Once you reach the base of the cup, pinch it down like this, wiggle, and try twisting it until you reach the rim of the cup. So this is the rim. So once you reach the rim of the cup, try inserting your finger, push it or fold it down like this, and please do bring it out in a tilted motion. If you are going to pull the cup straight, you definitely will experience terrible pain, but that pain will fortunately last for 5 seconds only. So please note to bring out the cup like this in a tilted motion. Once you remove the cup, just discard the blood and wash it with clean running water and reuse it. So this process might be a bit messy at the start, but trust me, the comfort you experience out of this 2-minute process is definitely going to be life-changing for you. Now that we know about the cup and its usage, we have to know what size would be ideal for us. Honestly, even I am quite unsure about my size. So you have to check the size chart provided by the brands, and usually the size is not only determined by the flow. So you should not think like I'll be having a heavy flow, so I have to get a large cup. No, it doesn't work like that. Some factors like the height of your cervix, have you given vaginal birth already, and all determines the size of your cup. So you can take online quizzes to know your size, and I got the size cup size S from the brand Carmesi, and it's also available in other brands like Be Safe, Sirona, etc. And I did not have any specific reason to opt Carmesi. It was just on offer on Amazon. Like, I got 2 pieces for 400, and I would also suggest you to get 2 pieces once you find the right size, because the other piece will definitely come handy in emergency situations. This sterilizer is for 1500 rupees, again from the brand Carmesi, and I got it on Amazon. So since I keep traveling, I'll not be sure that I'll be getting hot water everywhere. So that's the reason I bought it, but it's up to you to buy this or not. Also, one thing I wanted to add on is there are both colored and colorless cups. Carmesi provides only colorless cups as of now, and this is the color of it after few months of usage. And this is a pretty new one. I have not at all used it even once, so I'm not sure if you're able to find out the difference, the color difference in the camera. But this one has become slight yellowish orange, while this is like complete colorless or complete white. So you might think that you have not washed the cup properly or the quality of the cup is not good, but no, that's not the case. This cup is being exposed to extreme heat 2 times a month during sterilization, and that's the reason for the discoloration. So if you're not comfortable with this, you can comfortable with the color change, then you can throw it after 8 months or 10 months of usage. Guys, please note to consult a doctor or preferably a gynac before starting to use this. And also, if you're experiencing pain during insertion and removal, consult a doctor immediately to know if you're doing this the right way, because this is supposed to be a painless process after 2 to 3 months maximum. And yeah, I hope I gave all the details about the usage of this menstrual cup. But in the part 2 video, I'll be sharing my personal experience along with the advantages and disadvantages of this cup. So stay tuned for part 2 by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to share this video to all the menstruating people you know. It will definitely be helpful for them. If you have any doubts or queries, please do drop a comment, or you can ping me on my Instagram, which is also Talesofunicorn. And I'll see you guys real soon in another exciting video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.